Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you all on how to lift up your glass top stove if you have to do cleaning or if you have to do repairs or replace something. So let's get started. In order for me to lift this glass top stove up, first you have to bring down your oven door. But if you have any towels on here, remove them just so they don't hit the floor and possibly get dirty. Okay. Now, right where my thumb's tapping, there is a screw here, and right where my thumb tapping again, there's another screw here. Both of those have to be removed. All right. Now, in order for me to remove these two screws, it's a quarter inch socket. There's one screw. Another screw. Okay. Now we can bring the oven door back up. Here's a gap, as you can see on my, right here. Put your fingers in there. Okay, lift up. Now here's all your burners right here with you, and you need them to hold it up. Just have them hold it up, okay? Like like right here or right here, whatever. As long as it's held up, and then you can clean all in here, as well as here. You can do like any burner replacements, any wire replacements, or do any maintenance or whatever it is. All right. So if you have like a this is a leg from a shelf, like a plastic shelf. So what you want to do is right up in this section right here, you want to put it up here like this. Let the glass top stove down, and nice and easy, and there you go. Okay, now that's just in case if you don't have anybody near you or around or whatever, you can do that. Then what you can do, then again, like I said, you can clean, do what you need to do, any maintenance or whatever it is. Now when you're done, you just basically lift up the glass top stove. Again, keep your hand there, because if this glass top stove comes down, it's going to come down hard, and it will also do damage to the glass top here, as well as possibly do damage anywhere in here, and that's not what you want. So what you want to do, you want to basically bring the glass top down like this. All right, now in order to put the two screws back underneath the glass top stove here, what you want to do, again, you bring down the oven door like so. Get yourself a light. If you have enough lighting in your kitchen, that's fine. So do like this. Take my drill here. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the hole right here is lined up just like that. So you may have to give the glass top stove just a little bit of push. See how it moves a little bit, right? So what you want to do is you want to put the screw back in, or screw back out like that. Okay, once this stops, you stop. Okay. Bring this over here. Same thing. Put the screw in. Okay, push down out a little bit until the hole that's in the metal matches up with the secondary hole. Then you go ahead and you just basically screw back in. Stopped. Take your light out. Close the oven door, and voila. All right, everybody. So everybody will know on how to lift the glass top stove. Now, the information to this glass top stove, like the model number and all that stuff, will be down in the description box below of this video. So that's it for the video. So hope this video helps. If it does, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.